Since nasa dairy farming tayo, every day, our dairy cows or dairy buffaloes are producing manure. It accumulates every single day, whatever the weather is, umulan man or bumagyo or with nice weather, ang ating mga animals will produce manure. That is why waste management system is very critical sa first stage ng planning sa paggawa ng ating mga barn. Sa planning stage pa lang ng barn, there should be provision to install ang automatic slurry scraper. Yung mga critical points na kailangan natin i-consider if you want to have automatic scraping system during operation. The blueprint of the whole dairy farm, makikita kung saan ang location ng barn, dimension going to the manure pit or slurry holding tank, dimension ng slurry tank because when we install the manure agitator and slurry pump, these data are important. Then, ang distance of the slurry separator. Ang slurry separator, since this process requires separation of liquid manure from solid manure, we recommend that the EYS Slurry Separator should be on a higher position, enough that the truck can get underneath it so that the solid dried manure will go directly on the truck. Then the liquid slurry will go to another holding tank. Ang solid manure after the separation has less smell than raw manure. Pwede ito spread directly to your corn farm, vegetable farm, napier farm, and other crops. Ito yung tinatawag na recycling. Instead of buying expensive fertilizer from your farm, you can have this for free. There are also ways na pwede nyo i-process ang solid manure and sell it as a fertilizer. This will add up to your income. Para naman doon sa liquid manure, meron tayong mga slurry tanker which could actually suck that liquid manure into a tank then spread it onto the farm. Once involved kayo sa planning ng cow barn, you may consider the water supply kasi water is important in cleaning the whole barn every day. Some use flushing system kapag ang farm don't have enough water supply. By the way, sa mga nagtatanong how the scraping of manure works, upon installation ng manure scraper, kasama ang control panel, we can program dito ang interval how many hours mag-scrape.